PennDOT is responsible for nearly 40,000 miles of highways and over 25,000 bridges in Pennsylvania. Every day, we're working to maintain these resources in a state of good repair, which benefits our communities. When we have adequate funding, we can keep bridges and highways in good shape by doing cost-effective repairs that extend the time between replacements. For you, this means savings on fuel and car maintenance, less congestion, and a safer travel experience. But what happens if we don't maintain our highways and bridges? Well, we've already been forced to shift funds from local and regional projects to maintain the interstates. In the future, some bridges may need to become weight restricted, forcing larger vehicles to use longer routes. It could also mean growing congestion and traffic.